Good morning, I'm Crisanta Navarra. I'm going to discuss my project proposal entitled Safe and Bright Enhancing Public Safety Through Streetlight and CCTV Installation in Dili, Bawang, La Union. Next is the summary. This proposal is for a project called the Barangay Dili Smart and Safe Street Program. The aim is to make Barangay Dili in Bawang, La Union safer and easier to get around by adding LED street lights and CCTV cameras. The project is needed because there are problems with poor lighting and not enough security in important areas, which can lead to theft, accidents, and people feeling unsafe at night. The plan is to install 30 energy-saving street lights and 15 high-quality CCTV cameras in important places like roads, intersections, and public areas that need more security. Next is the introduction. The barangay located in Bawang, La Union is a growing community that faces safety issues, especially at night. To improve safety is by putting up LED streetlights and CCTV cameras in key areas. This project aims to make the street brighter and safer, helping to lower crime rates at night. The CCTV cameras will also assist police and emergency services by allowing them to monitor the area in real time and keep recorded footage for any incidents that may occur. Next is the project details. The project in Barangay Dili aims to make the community safer and more secure, especially at night. Many areas are dark and lack cameras, which can lead to crime and accidents. To fix this, the plan is to install energy-saving lights and CCTV cameras in key locations. This will help people see better at night, discourage illegal activities, and provide video evidence if something happens. Overall, it will help homeowners feel safe. Next is the goal and objectives. The goal is to improve the general safety, security, and quality of life in Barangay Dili, construct dependable street lighting and CCTV surveillance system that deter crime, decrease accident, and enable efficient community monitoring. The objectives is to improve visibility and safety at night by installing LED-powered streetlights in key areas of Barangay Dili, to deter criminal activity and enhance security through the installation of CCTV cameras in strategic locations, to assist in criminal activity. So next is project scope: installation of 30 LED streetlights along main roads, pathways, and dark areas, installation of 15 CCTV cameras in high-risk or high-traffic areas including intersections, barangay hall, public markets, schools, and remote zones. Connection of CCTV to the Barangay Monitoring Center with remote access capability for local authorities, and training for barangay staff on operating the CCTV system and maintaining street lighting. In frame duration, we have the planning, installation, training, and turnover. In planning, we have 1 month. In installation, we have 2 months. And training turnover, it takes 2 weeks. In workflow methodology, we have survey and assessment, project planning and design, installation works, monitoring center setup, testing and commissioning, training and turnover, and maintenance and evaluation. Lastly, the recommendations: launch the initiative with a strong community involvement approach to encourage active participation and to ensure transparency and support. Stakeholders should be routinely updated on their progress. And that's all. Thank you. Here in stakeholder, the primary stakeholders of this project is the official residents of Barangay Dili and LGU of Bawang, La Union by the help of Provincial La Union and the PNP and DILG. In expansion of the project, NGOs, community organization, and local businesses are the secondary stakeholders. And this is the benefits and the total cost of my projects. Source of funds: the project will be funded through the following possible resources: Barangay Development Fund, Municipal Assistance Fund, private sector sponsorship, assistance from Provincial Government La Union. The expected outcomes: improve nighttime visibility and reduction of vehicular pedestrian accidents, increase public safety, and reduce petty crimes, enhance emergency response capability, and strengthen trust between residents and barangay governance. The risk assessment. The risk. While the street light and CCTV installation project in Barangay Dili offers many benefits, it also comes with potential risks that need to be carefully considered and addressed. One key risk is the possibility of budget overruns due to price fluctuation or unforeseen installation needs. The mitigation strategies. While the project presents some potential risks, they can be effectively managed to protect proactive planning, stakeholder engagement, and continuous monitoring. Addressing these risks early will help ensure the successful completion and long-term sustainability of the project.